Let's Awesome Adventures. Today we're going to be playing Among Us. And we're going with 5 people. Now we're going with 6 people. This is only my mother. He is the worst right now. Don't tell me what you are, and don't even think about telling me. I'm not even gonna tell what I am. This is a real Among Us game. Why do you call me? Who are you? You just gotta skip it like a mippet. I don't know. I voted skip. Just vote him out. I've gotten 2 tasks done. You can go to admin. I got it on my second swipe. I got my task done on my second swipe. For saying that, I might think you are the imposter. Okay, next round, not safe. How about it? How about we don't talk unless we're in a meeting? How about this? How about we don't talk next round unless we see each other or we're in a meeting? Why did you just call a meeting? Why did Smallpot just call a meeting? Brown. I guess vote Brown. Oh, they're gonna vote you out. Yes. Okay, you know how to mute your microphone on the FaceTime? Mute your microphone on the FaceTime if you know how. Okay, but I'm using my microphone, so bye. And I'll unmute it later. Okay, guys, this is just gonna be crazy now. Wait. Stop talking. Make no noise. Stop talking. Guys, this is just crazy. Hey, wait, hey, I saw you. You went into some place. Okay, why does someone keep calling a meeting? I'm just voting self-report. Self-meeting. Why me? Okay, I'm going bye-bye again. Guys, we just gotta... Oh my gosh, this is just crazy. I gotta go do my admin task. Nope. Warren, why is everybody in this room? What? That was very weird. Okay, Warren, mute your microphone in the thing. But I'm gonna have to leave the game. No? Yes. Hey, then just make everything silent in your place. Leave the room where your brother is if you have to. I'm going mute, bye. Yeah, be quiet. Only when we're near each other we can. Guys, I'm never gonna be an imposter. I'm always coming good. Yay! You know what? I'm gonna make it so nobody can call an emergency machine anymore. Make it done. Ooh. Peak is so sus. Oh my god. You know what, kids? Just do not talk. Go in a different room. Go in a different room than your brother. So we don't have to hear this. I was just talking about The hardest task ever. Oof, you know what this is? You know who I think it is? I think it is, Zulok. I'm sus with the yellow. I guess they left. They're gonna do me. Let's go, yellow. Bye bye. Now no one is being nice in this game because they keep leaving. I'm a poo-poo boy. I'm a poo-poo. There we go.